Yo, yeah, Hood motherfucking radio, you know what it is. Tune the fuck in, we up in this bed.
Yo, it's your boy DJ Miggs, Henchman DJs, let's go.
You know what it is, man, tune the fuck in, we on this bitch, man. Shy City, you know what it is, tune the fuck in.
No Chirac, Samantha. I'm in drill shit. I got all these bands on me, though. You feel me? I feel you, bro.
Hey, I'ma pop a band on these bitch niggas. Yeah, I got these bands. I'm a rich nigga. Yeah. 100 grand on that drop top. Real nigga, no knockoffs, they all soft. My whole team is all boss, and I'm strapped up and I'm draped out. Pull up and then pop out. Boy, I'm on some other shit. Yo, bitch, she that lame bra. My bitch, she that bad bra. Butcher gang, what I stand for. Rolling dope and I'm getting high, and I'm high down no plane, boy. Fly down the airport. Shooting, then aim for it, because my shit, it make noise. Shorty's on you with big noise. Yeah, so kiss the ring for the blessing. Motherfucking G, X them G's for the record, boy. Yeah, I'm OTS, I'm off the shit, then I'm fucking with it. Spend a couple rolls, fuck some hoes, and then go cop a whip. Say yo, my shit, foreign boy, you should see my bitch. Young paid nigga, YPN, you know we be the clip. Still on that G shit, riding like I'm supposed to do. I'm back to the streets quick, I'm sticking to it just like glue. Moving at a fast pace, ain't nothing that is ever new. I'm moving so fast, these niggas asking for the turbo boost. All these butchers over here ain't really worried about your goons. We came here to chop it up. Selling steaks is not a rule, don't worry about my niggas. My niggas, they would have to shoot. All this he and she say shit ain't nothing that I'm prone to do. But we bumping at they gums while we still bumping at they face. Just to get it till it's done. Extraordinary taste. Thirst. On the nigga. All these bands, I'm a rich nigga. I'ma pop a band on these bitch niggas. All these bands, I'm a rich nigga. Yeah, work on the block, you feel me? Shout out to the whole squad. YPN shit, man, you feel me? Yeah. Pop a band on a bitch, nigga, man, my favorite time is when Pac and them did it, you feel me? I guess that's what a nigga relates to. Man, shout out to the guys, man. Shout out to St. Martin. You know what I mean? Shout out to Future Stars. You know what I mean? Shout out to Thirsty Entertainment. Shout out to the Butcher Gang. Shout out to Infinite Rec. Shout out to my big bro, Rick. You feel me? Shout out to everybody in St. Martin. You know what I mean? I'm an island boy, that's what I do. I shine that Sean Greg. You feel me? I'm my niggas, man, Brett. Everybody, let's go. Let's go.
You know how to do a remix. Shout out Dreezy. She killed Nicki Minaj. Let's get it. Chirac, that Shy City. If and when I die to be my city. Got a handful of goon squads that if I slide, they gon' ride with me. 815, I'm born to it. 773, I'm sworn to it. Shout out to my zone. Started from the bottom, going corporate. Keep a packet of honeydew wop. Drop down medicine, shorty do bop. Keep my mouth shut, don't say shit, but don't fuck around. Cause shorty do pop, never lost a fight. Young Rocky, got an uppercut, leave a bitch mouth wide. Bitches round here get too cocky, might end up in the sock on the south side. Your man think he got a chance with me, he out of luck, we all break up. Deposit checks in my bank account, y'all broke hoes, need to get your cake up. Pounds of bricks flying out of state, got them trunk side and they take These drug dealers ain't making shit. Re-up on the odds from your pay cut. Couple pounds for the low, finding bodies full of hoes. Raised out and you gone, got a mouth full of gold. Sight beef when I walk through the door. Frostbite these hoes, mine and mean it's so cold. Cold red, you in ER. Family come to visit you on ICU. Shy rag where we are. Shout out to the savages, I see you. Gang banging, twist of fingers. Total steam, got one left in the chamber. Can't slang, pushing range. Put me on a track, nothing less than bangers. Chaos, I'ma roll though. Ride solo till I roll over. Masked up like Zorro. Got a couple hoodies, they pullovers. Stop out in Humble Park. Jump out by a Jibarito. If I had a dick, your man be lying when he's saying he don't deep though. Ride around with that Nina. Shorty got a bad bitch named Christina. Ballin' on you fuckos. Kill him on the court, bitch, no subpoena. Wet ass tsunami, get him in the sheets and straight Katrina. They begging me, these fuck boys, I give them all Aquafina. On my bullshit with that Red Bull, my team, when fuck that heat. They'll put you on a headstone real quick, tryna fuck with me. Bitches say they sick, but they whack as hell. Fuck that, get a bitch medicine. Check your dome, I light it up. Might as well, call me Thomas Edison. Never let him in, he hooked. Ain't no love in it, pocket shook. I'm a veteran, you a rook. No such thing as halfway crook. Get him on the floor, get it on the dome. No face, no case, cause I get him on the low. Gotta do a pro, gotta do a full. Never kill with love, cause I gotta do a cold. Never trust a bitch, we own that. From the North Pole to the low end. Getting money from the trap to the office. Shout out to the shot we go in. I'm out.
Squad, L-Town shit. Roxy told me not to do this shit, man. Let's get it. West side. I've been killing niggas in this rap shit, you can say that. You talk a lot with them, chopper shells that hit you right where your face at. If you rhyme with the fin nigga, better know your lit, you better say that. Don't fuck around with them fake niggas, they'll hit the gym and just say shit. I'm out west and that's real shit. Ops ride through and they don't shoot. My nigga G, baby, start fucking at them, cause fuck around's what we don't do. Blowing throink down Humble Park, let me call my nigga Young Tune. He a real nigga, he keep it on him, try to rob him, you a dumb fool. Logo squad while I call my bottle, seen Sonny Black in the 60 van. His folk niggas try to bang at me, but they didn't blow, cause I fuck with him. Guap game, big get money, that's real shit, they kill shit. Wacko, he'll whack niggas, he'll 2-6 and he get it in. Why the fuck is these lame niggas still trying to rap? Niggas stop trying, sound like Chief Keef with a bad call. Nigga, I'm laughing, I'm here dying. Low key, got a 9 on him, he 4 on them with the black diamond. Nigga, I ain't got a show guns, cause my niggas here really do got it. You a rookie nigga, see, I'm a boss, I just tell my niggas and they coming at you. I'm the type of nigga that have your own game, never start fucking with you. Yo, bitch, she old news, like how the fuck is she still with you? I fucked her, then brought her home to my girl, cause that's what I'm into. Bitch, I'm not done yet, this rap shit, I run that, recorded this on some bullshit, so you fucking rappers could go to sleep. Bitch, I'm not done yet, this rap shit, I run that, recorded this on some bullshit, so you fucking rappers could go to sleep. No lie.
Jizzo, Chicago, but you already know. Yeah. The best way to keep it real, is if you don't give a fuck, to just say that shit. So say it with me. Yeah. You heard the teacher call my name. I don't give a fuck. She said I'm crazy in the brain. I don't give a fuck. Man, it's all just the same. I don't give a fuck. They said welcome to the game. I said I don't give a fuck. You heard the teacher call my name. I don't give a fuck. She said I'm crazy in the brain. I don't give a fuck. Man, it's all just the same. I don't give a fuck. They said welcome to the game. I said I don't give a fuck. Let me start by making a fucked up first impression. There's a lot of things in life you have to learn and take lessons. They want you to do this, they want you to do that. I say fuck it and do me. Go tell them I said that. Everybody is a camper, but not everybody's happy. That's like everybody rapping, but not everyone's a rapper. Goddamn, that makes sense. So listen when I'm talking, yo, I'm spitting the realest, and so you better keep it walking. I try to stay away, but yo, I see them when they slither. Grab you from your fucking neck for something that you said on Twitter. It's crucial, my personality's heavy at times. Compare it to killing, I'm swinging machetes and knives. Alright, I give up, the radio controls us, but I always be hip-hop, I'll make a way just like Moses. You don't even get noticed, just soft like Frank Ocean. Beat you down like Chris Brown and give a fuck if you report it. Heard the teacher call my name, I don't give a fuck. She said I'm crazy in the brain, I don't give a fuck. Man, it's all just the same, I don't give a fuck. They said welcome to the game, I said I don't give a fuck. You heard the teacher call my name, I don't give a fuck. She said I'm crazy in the brain, I don't give a fuck. Man, it's all just the same, I don't give a fuck. They said welcome to the game, I said I don't give a fuck. Demented individuals wonder why God made them. They crucified him under Christ and Jesus went and forgave him. I'm sorry, that's a fabricated story to try to change us. Forgive me for our sins, I do believe it's you who made us. I could have made a difference, or maybe I still can. Sit your ass down and drink this fucking whiskey like a man. Desgraciado is what the ladies call me, it's a compliment. I'm everything you need around the world on every continent. I'm tired of the chains, the ones in your videos. If I wanted one too, I'd go to Pulaski and Cicero. I'd buy a watch with diamonds and I'll smack you with it. Make you change your mind about the shine in astrophysics. This is how I talk, I swear, I'm not faking for the web. Look at the guns in my videos, you can easily be dead. All I gotta do is drill and grow a couple dreads. Spit some stupid ass bars and get paid tons of bread. Heard the teacher call my name, I don't give a fuck. She said I'm crazy in the brain, I don't give a fuck. Man, it's all just the same, I don't give a fuck. They said welcome to the game, I said I don't give a fuck. Heard the teacher call my name, I don't give a fuck. She said I'm crazy in the brain, I don't give a fuck. Man, it's all just the same, I don't give a fuck. They said welcome to the game, I said I don't give a fuck.
All my little niggas smokers, 30 deep on that corner, like click clack and it's over. So tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up. Tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up while we ride round with that Rover. All my little niggas smokers, 30 deep on that corner, like click clack and it's over. So tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up. Tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up. All my niggas stay pulled up, geeked up like they coked up. So I bought them more guns and I let my little niggas hold up. Tell them niggas they don't want war, they ain't bout that street shit. That 40 on me bout 3 clips, I get bonded out cause my team rich. That little nigga ain't seen shit, if he say he did, he a liar. I make his ass meet Jesus. He don't want no smoke like a firefighter, it's MG. Please give a nigga 10 feet, that 30-30 with a red beam. That will hit him up and leave him dead meat. On Prince Fred, they don't want this, my comrades bout combat. Ain't from here, don't flex shit. The news warn you about shot back. We shoot first, don't act shit. We ain't ones to act dirty with, cause bro, she got the 70, now that's a big 40 with a 30 clip. Okay, let's ride around with that Rover. All my little niggas smokers, 30 deep on that corner, like click clack and it's over. So tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up. Tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up while we ride around with that Rover. All my little niggas smokers, 30 deep on that corner, like click clack and it's over. So tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up. Tell them little niggas hold up, cause all my niggas stay pulled up. Ride around with my gunners, talking wrong and get gunned up. Niggas mad they ain't won none.
Support from the city, man. You know, real talk. There's a lot of shit going on about that Lil Durk and Tigger and Game, you know what I'm saying, on that little diss shit. So we were like, fuck it, we gonna talk about that shit on Hood Radio. So shout out to everybody that's tuning in. I hope y'all can hear us clear. Got bad people. We got some projects coming up.
Oh yeah, we got some good projects coming soon. Especially the summer, we're gonna hit it off right.
Hit it off right. The summer, we got that shit. We got the Hood Radio going off the chain. Numbers are growing. We're gonna flood the land with CDs. Hood Radio Volume 1 is gonna have all the exclusive tracks from Chicago, from trap shit to everything's going on there. Tell them.
North side, west side, east side, any side.
Any
you
side.
from Chicago, you on that tape.
Black, white, Chinese, purple, green. We don't give a fuck, man. Send them donations, man, because them donations is what's going to help us buy more CDs. This shit ain't going to fund itself. So, rocking with everybody that's sending their donation, we salute y'all. Good looking out. We're going to put that to work, and we're going to flood the land with CDs, posters, and we're going to get banners. And also, we're going to be hosting, you know what I'm saying, Humble Park status. So, if y'all want to perform, y'all ever been to the parades or to the Humble Park when they be going down? That should be off the chain. Let them know, hosted by your very own.
It's your boy DJ Miggs, the other henchman DJs.
We getting it cracking, man. Let them know where you're going to be spending that too, man. We're going to be hitting the clubs too. So.
Man, actually, coming up this Saturday, I'll be at Sub T for a hip hop.